Hello, this is Joe, and welcome back to my channel. The last trading day is December 16th. Let's take a look at the overall market. The S&P 500 index and the Nasdaq Composite continue to trend upwards, especially for QQQ. The rate of increase has been accelerating. However, I urge you to be cautious. Nothing goes up forever, and this faster rate of increase may be a sign of an upcoming correction. On the other hand, the Dow Jones and IWM have not seen the same level of increase, which could indicate that the recent rally has been driven by a small number of very large tech stocks rather than broad market strength. However, I do think IWM and Dow Jones will rebound very soon, so just keep this in mind when you are trading. Let's take a look at the stocks we have been following lately. First up is Snowflake. As I said in my last video, Snow is likely to rebound this week. Looks like it is indeed happening. 167 now looks like a support. The next price target is around 185 in the short term. If you are holding Snow, I suggest you to continue hold it. If you don't have Snow in your portfolio yet, I believe right now it is still not too late to accumulate your position. Next up is COM. In my last video I said that the uptrend for COM is going to continue for some time. This is indeed what happened in the last trading day. The chart still looks bullish. However, note that the increasing rate is accelerating. This may be a sign that a correction is coming soon. But right now, if you are holding COM, you can continue hold it. Next, let's look at ONON. ONON is still moving sideways. The volume is not large lately, and it is unclear which direction the stock will go next. I suggest you wait until the pattern is more clear before taking any action on ONON. Turning to Albemarle. After 4 days of falling, the price stabilized at around 99. This is a very good sign for ALB. Imagine yourself to be someone interested in ALB. Based on the chart, you see that the stock is moving sideways in the 100.5 to 110 range. So naturally, if you want to buy ALB, you will probably enter your position at around 101 and set your stop loss near 99. In the past 2 trading days, the price dropped just below 99 but quickly bounced back up, just enough to trigger the stop loss. Given that the overall trend for ALB recently is bullish, this is likely a bear trap to shake out weak hands. So you can consider this a buying opportunity for ALB. I expect ALB to test the resistance at 110 very soon. Next up is Shopify. The price is still consolidating around the $115 level, but the range is getting narrower. Typically, this kind of consolidation pattern will be followed by a breakout. If Shopify can break above $120, it may quickly run up to $130. Of course, the opposite is also possible. If it breaks below $110, then $100 will be the next support level. However, given the overall uptrend for Shopify, I think a bullish breakout is more likely. If you are holding Shop at the moment, you can continue to hold it. Next up is Shift4 Payments. Looks like 4 found its support at the 50-day moving average. There were quite some short selling on deck 9th and 11th. Those short sellers are making a loss right now. If the price continue to go up in the next day or two, I believe the short sellers will exit their positions, and this will create additional buying pressure, potentially leading to a short squeeze scenario. So look out for opportunity to get back and forth. Next is Boeing. As I have discussed in my previous videos, I firmly believe that Boeing is well positioned to deliver strong performance in the medium to long term. The continued rebound in Boeing stock price indicates that now may be an opportune time for investors to consider adding this company to their portfolios. Moving on to TDOC. In my last video, I have said that TDOC is going to rebound very soon. This is indeed what happened in the last trading day. After the stop loss hunting on Friday, TDOC is ready to take off again. The short-term price target is 12. If you do not have TDOC yet, I believe right now is a great opportunity to start to build your positions. Next is FSLY. As I said previously, I don't think the uptrend for FSLY is over. It bounced back by 6.39% in the last trading day, and the chart looks bullish again. I expect FSLY to continue its uptrend in the short run. I maintain that the price will test the 11.50 level again in the near future. Next is SoFi Technologies. It is clear now that the long wick on deck 6 is likely the result of stop loss hunting by big players, with the goal of accumulating more shares at lower prices. This is a common tactic used by institutional investors to shake out weaker hands and gain more exposure to a stock they believe has further upside potential. SoFi Technologies is still in an uptrend, and I expect it to continue going up in the coming days. In my last video, I said SoFi is going to make a new high very soon. This is indeed what happened in the last trading day. If you are holding SoFi, you can continue holding it, as the stock still appears to have room to run higher. Next is Upstart. The chart for Upstart still looks bullish. It stayed above $80 with a long wick on the daily chart, indicating the stock is meeting buying interest at that price level. This suggests that the bulls are in control of the stock right now. Given the overall uptrend, I expect Upstart to continue to move higher in the near future. Investors may want to consider adding to their positions or initiating new positions in Upstart, as the stock seems poised to build on its recent gains. Next is FSLY Aviation. At first glance, the chart may suggest that the uptrend has been broken, as the price closed below the support around 133. However, the high volume in the last 2 trading days and the stock stabilization around 130 indicate that this could be a good opportunity to catch a rebound. Those who bought FSLY may have set their stop loss around 126, meaning there is substantial liquidity available at this level. If the stock continues to drop below 126, I expect it to quickly rebound. So watch out for FSLY and be prepared to open a position. Next, we have Unity. As expected, Unity rebounded strongly from 24. If you look at the chart carefully, you can see that on December 4th, the stock decisively broke out of the resistance. Therefore, those who are interested in buying Unity will set their stop loss at around 24.7. The intention of the large red bar on last Friday is to shake off those weak hands. After that is done, the stock will rebound and test the resistance at 28 soon. So if you are holding Unity, you can continue to hold it. Moving on, let's take a look at ONON Brands. The stock is having a similar chart pattern to Unity. The support level appears to be around $10.50. If the stock were to drop to this level, it would create a very good opportunity for investors to open a new position. Based on the current technical analysis, I don't believe the overall uptrend for ONON Brands is over yet. Next, I want to discuss CZ. The stock is still moving sideways and consolidating. We will need to watch the stock's behavior over the next few days to get a better sense of which direction it may take next. Turning to us, the uptrend for this stock appears to be intact. There has been some short selling activity recently, but the bears have been unable to push the price down significantly. Currently, the chart looks very bullish, and I believe it is still a favorable time to consider buying this. Finally, let's discuss Fluence Energy. The stock has experienced a significant sell-off over the past 2 weeks, but it has found support around the $16 level. Notably, the days when the stock hit the support area saw high trading volumes, which could be a sign of a potential reversal. While the stock hasn't yet rebounded strongly, I believe this presents a favorable opportunity for investors to potentially capture some quick gains if the stock starts to recover from the support level. That's it for today. If there are any other stocks you'd like me to analyze in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more analysis and insights. Until next time, stay informed and happy trading.